If your partner proposes you for a live-in relationship, would you accept it?
I'm not कोलकाता में सब बात का बतंगड़ बना लेते हैं.
Yeah, two people staying together illegally.
What's up? आइए मेरे साथ on the street of Kolkata. Let's find out how people in Kolkata react to our question. आज का जो question है ये है, what is live-in relationship? यार live-in relationship होता क्या है? क्या शादी से अलग है? आइए जानते हैं हम. What's up guys? So here I have 4 beautiful ladies and 3 handsome men. What does live-in relationship means?
Ask her. I'm not into one.
Live in relationship.
What does live-in relationship
Means to live with your partner in an apartment.
When you're in a relationship with someone, you're not officially married, but then you stay with them day and night.
What is live-in relationship? It's like marriage without commitment.
Marriage without commitment.
Yeah, two people staying together illegally.
Okay. I think the correct word is unofficial.
Staying in a relationship while living together.
Simply living together.
Without getting married.
Before marriage, basically.
Yeah. It's a lot of struggle but a lot of fun.
I'm still on the first page. I don't know anything.
I so wish I can go into that.
It's basically when you get to know each other more.
Yeah, it's a good thing, but lots of problems starts happening after some time.
It's basically living together.
Love.
Like shadi brings very responsibilities with us. So people right now want to test whether we can, live with him or not. Like love, a way of expressing love only.
No, it doesn't. Yeah, it doesn't have to be a commitment.
I know, but
I mean, nowadays, though, anything is possible. Exactly.
How it is different from marriage?
I don't know.
it is. Obviously it is.
I would say it, but I don't know if it's okay for YouTube channels or not. It's pregnancy.
Okay.
Yeah.
सब आके पूछते भाई serious है क्या? No pressure of having kids.
Okay.
It's different. We don't have any obligation in it.
Protection for that.
There's no obligation.
They are not committed. There's just process difference. Just the marriage process is not there, and it's the same. In the marriage, we commit it that yes, we are going to stay together always, and then we are going to get divorced. And in a living relationship, we don't commit that, and then we get apart. Marriage involves 2 families. Like instead of marrying like 2 persons, we marry 2 families. But live-in relationship includes only like the 2 persons focus on each other rather than focusing on how to bring up with the family or everything else.
Marriage is where you have responsibility of everything, and in a relationship, there comes a time when you just see your convenience and not your partner's convenience.
You're not officially, obviously, accepted by the society. Maybe your family doesn't know about it, and you're staying together. Because once you're married, you're like officially together, kind of.
In a live-in relationship, you're not in a legal,
And there's no commitment.
there's no commitment. You can.
That is a commitment, not a lifetime commitment.
And a family commitment.
Registration नहीं होता बस.
Because parents नहीं मानते.
You don't get the chance to blame something on each other. Yeah, you just get to walk out because it's not commitment. Yeah, that's what people do nowadays, right?
Then why we say like it's a committed relationship?
Because we did not we have no proof to that. We do not tell the entire world that yes, we are together, come celebrate our destruction or devastation.
Maybe marriage is official and living relationship is not.
Is it legal in India?
No, I think. But it's every people take it very wrong. No.
Maybe no.
Yeah, I think it's not illegal. It can't be legal because it's not official.
No, sadly.
Nothing wrong in it.
I don't think so.
There's nothing legal or illegal about it because there aren't any rules.
Yeah.
So it's your
personal choice,
yeah.
I think.
No, marriage is like the biggest thing ever. And you have to get married no matter
Yeah,
what.
it's like if you have a boyfriend, you need to make sure that you get married to him. Otherwise, the society won't
You're
like
not
you.
allowed to switch boyfriends.
Switch. Or you can just simply exchange. That's the best thing.
I don't think it's legal in India, but it should be. Because people should change the concept. Indian people are very traditional, they believe in sanskari marriages and all, no sex before marriage or something, but there should be.
It's not
Yeah.
easy in Kolkata. Kolkata में सब बात का बतंगड़ बना लेते हैं.
अच्छा बात है, अभी एक मोदी का क्या फिल्टर लगा दिया, उसमें तन्मय भट्ट के ऊपर केस हो गया. Yeah.
If your partner proposes you for a live-in relationship, would you accept it?
Yeah, I have to convince my parents for that.
But then you will accept it.
Yes. I don't have. Even I do not have. If I have. Shit.
No.
No.
I would.
I would.
I would.
I will not.
Why?
Because I'm not against it, but I don't like it.
I don't know. It will depend whether. Yeah, it will depend.
No.
What partner?
If your boyfriend or girlfriend,
Depends. Depends on who the girl is. Yeah.
to be very specific, it's a girl.
Yeah, to be very specific.
Yes, yes.
Yes, happily.
Don't know.
Yeah, obviously.
No.
No.
Depends.
Depends on how good the cookie is.
No, completely depends on the circumstances and all.
Nothing. It's cool. I don't mind if it's. No, actually, it depends. I won't say
Yeah.
anything right now.
Yeah, I think it's very, very. I mean, I can't answer it right now because it's a very far-fetched thing. So
It will depend what my senses are at that time. Like what I want, what is my priority, either parents or him or career or something, you know.
Okay, guys, so it's a wrap for this episode. I hope you all had fun, and if you really had fun, please don't go anywhere. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and
hit the red subscribe button below and then press the bell icon to get notified each time we upload a new video. And never miss to say what's up.
Love is not finding someone to live with. It's finding someone you can't live without. Happy living.
What's up?